Let me tell you a story. It's this where apartment where we used to stay in. It was very hot every day. Oh, our sitting room were like an oven. But since then they upgraded the garden outside here that you can see and make it very beautiful, the garden. And yeah, you will see now. You can't see much, but yeah, let me walk and then you can see better view of the plants. Yes. So yeah, it's where we used to stay. It were wonderful moments, obviously, but I'm glad we don't stay here anymore.